Leading bathroom renovation company in San Ramon. Construction remodeling in Bay Area. Are you looking to renovate your bathroom? Look no further than our team of experts. We'll help turn your bathroom into something modern and luxurious. Are you looking to update your bathroom with a renovation? Look no further than the leading bathroom renovation company in San Ramon. Our team of experts can help turn your bathroom into something modern, luxurious, and truly unique. When it comes to construction and remodeling, we offer an array of services that will completely transform your bathroom. We specialize in all aspects of renovation, including flooring, plumbing, tile installation, vanity installation, sink installation, and more. We'll work closely with you throughout the entire process to ensure that everything is exactly as you envision. We also use only the highest quality materials for our projects so that you have peace of mind knowing that your bathroom will last for years to come. At our leading bathroom renovation company in San Ramon, we strive to provide excellent customer service and satisfaction. We understand how important it is for customers to have a stress-free experience when undergoing a major home improvement project like this one, which is why we take extra care to make sure our clients are informed throughout every step of the process. Our team of experts is highly experienced and knowledgeable about the latest trends and technologies in remodeling and construction. They'll be able to provide advice on what products or materials would work best for your space. Plus, our competitive prices make us an unbeatable choice for anyone looking for top-notch services at affordable rates. If you're looking for a reliable company that specializes in construction remodeling in the Bay Area, or specifically San Ramon, look no further than our leading bathroom renovation company. Our team of professionals has years of experience under their belts and will be able to help turn your vision into reality, all while providing excellent customer service along the way. Get started today by giving us a call or sending us an email. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching.